Hello, I'm Sawbhaggya Bandara, and I want to share my thoughts on how I can serve better through my role. So, serving effectively is very important to me because it's how I can create a positive impact and support the people I work with and the community we serve. So, first, I believe serving better starts with truly understanding the needs of those around me. This means actively listening and seeking honest feedback so I can grasp what is most helpful and meaningful for others. By focusing on their needs, I can tailor my efforts to make a real difference. Second, I want to leverage my own strengths more intentionally. In my role, I recognize my skills in organization and communication, and I aim to use these abilities to streamline workflows and keep everyone well informed. Using what I do best helps me serve more effectively and contribute to smoother project progress. And also, finally, I want to embrace empathy and patience in every interaction. Putting myself in others' shoes allows me to respond with compassion and understanding, even when challenges arise. So, this strengthens my relationships with colleagues and stakeholders and builds a foundation of trust. So, serving better means listening carefully, using my strengths with a purpose, and leading with empathy. I'm committed to growing in these areas through my role and project so I can make a meaningful and lasting difference. Thank you.